Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode, we will be building part 3-20, the Boiler Chimney Base for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we will be building part 3-20, the Boiler Chimney Base for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's open up template MMGS. Alright, so we're going to go right plane, sketch. That's normalized automatically. We're going to go line tool. Actually, no. We're going to get center line. Put that one in. Now go line tool, and we want to go out, up, across, up, across, up, across, down, past that one, so lock that one in, down to there. So we want to delete, actually no, I can't delete like that, need trim. There we go, that's closed in, beautiful. Now let's dimension this first. So we've got sketch, sorry not sketch, select dimension. Let's see, from that point to that point will be A9 divided by 2. Then let me just drag that down. That point will be 70 divided by 2. Yep. Okay. Let me do this one next. That way it doesn't. Oh no, that's fine. That's fine. This one next. This point will be 63 divided by 2, and this point to this point will be 57 divided by 2. This point to this point will be 63 divided by 2. Bring that up, bring that up, bring that up. There we go. Okay, this one here. Nope, not the center point. That line. Oh, okay. Those two there will be 5. This one will be 16. No, sorry. Actually, let me just leave that one 16 for the moment. This one is 16. And that one is 20. And this point to this point is 22. Oh, that's right. Yep. That's good. Yeah. That's it. Some of those things down here. No, it's up there. That's fine. So that's sketch done. Oh, no, not quite. Oh, no, it is done because it's locked in there. So we've got distance there. So yeah, no, this is done, sorry. So nothing should be movable. Now, we shall go to feature, revolve boss base. And it's picked up everything perfectly. And okay. There is that piece done. No holes in it. Nope. Oh, nope. There's holes in this part, sorry. But that is that part done as is. Overall, let's go to normal 2. Sketch. We shall now do one hole there. That's going to be. Oh, there is something else I saw. Let's do these holes first. That is going to be 76. Now what's the? It's halfway through. It doesn't say what it is, but it's halfway through. So what's the dimension of these two apart? No, I can't do it. That's fine. So let me just move this one out there. Beautiful. Smart dimension of this one. 9.5. Okay. So from that point to that point, it'll be 9.5 divided by 2. There it is. Now, it's still not fine because I need that center point to that one and lock it in. There we go. That one's done. So pretty much from the center to it's 39.75. I'm going to put that one instead. I'm going to delete that one and delete that line. There we go. Nope. Delete that one. For some reason went to there's still classes that not needed. There we go. I prefer that line there than that, especially when we start doing the technical drawings. Okay, so now we want to go circular pattern, and these pattern. Okay, yep, the center point. Everything's sharp there, but let's just do this, see what happens. There you go, 4. Picked automatically, perfect. 4 of those. Done. Everything 4? Yes, there is. Now we want extrude cut through all and done. Right, those holes done. Now we've got a little bit of a cutout here. So we've got let's do sketch, center line. From there to there. Oops, that one does that. Seems like double click. Okay, let me actually put this one. Let me just take that one out. Delete that one there. It's actually this way. So now that is very cool. There we go. That's going to be 45. Oops, sorry. Thank you. 45, done. And this is going to be, I missed. Now make sure it is with the line, not on the angle. So parallel with the line, the measurement. That's going to be 76. Perfect. Now we want to do a circle. It's going to be circumference of, radius 35 to diameter of 70. Perfect. Now we want to go feature, extrude cut. Oh, wrong one. Through all and done. There we go. Got a little bit done there. Perfect. Now that should be it this time. Brass sounds good. Actually, I think this one is brass. Alright, that's part 3-20. Boiler Chimney Base done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed that. Found it helpful. Click the like button. Appreciate it. Welcome all new subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, want to, please subscribe. It does help me out and you get notifications. And leave comments below. Always happy to hear from guys and girls. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.